Hello plant parents. We are getting into a festive season. Diwali is just around the corner and everybody this time should give something. We have gone through a last 6 months of turmoil, so much of stress and anxiety above all of us. I think this time we all should look at gifting something to our family and friends around, right? And when you're looking at gifts, what gift you should give, right? And what better than gifting green? And here are the 5 reasons why you should gift greens to your friends and families all around. The top first reason is gardening makes people happy. Yes, of course, it does make everybody happy. And I think this COVID has taught everybody that happiness is the most important thing in our life. Spending time with family, having nature around brings a lot of happiness. The way you care about them, the way you water them, the way you see them grow, you take care of them, they take care of you, it brings a lot of happiness among us. Second reason is plants make home more beautiful. So in case you have a home and you want to decorate it, the best way to decorate your homes, and especially indoors, is by having a plant. Right? So imagine you getting a plant from your friends and you putting it on your center table. That's the best gift you can look at. So decor is a very important element you should look at, and anybody is in your family who you want to gift it and who believes in decorating their homes, I think that's a wonderful gift to give a plant. The third reason to gift greens is they're the best air purifiers. So God hasn't made anything else except plants to purify the air. Of course, we have artificial air purifiers available in the market, but they don't absorb the gases and the VOCs around. So they don't actually reduce the pollution. Having a plants is how they can absorb the VOCs, makes them the best air purifiers. And in Diwali, if you are in Delhi or in North India where there's pollution around, and with Diwali, imagine the pollution going up, and winters coming in, the pollution going up, I think the best gift you can give to your friends and families is to gift an air purifier. And the plant is the best air purifier gift you can give. The fourth reason you should give green is they're the best stress busters. So it's been proven science that employees' efficiency increases by 18% if they have greens on their desk. It's clearly proven that if you have plants around you, it reduces your stress, brings more calmness, and reduces your depression also. So if you do gardening, or if you do a hobby of half an hour or an hour every morning around plants, you will see the depression going down. I think post-COVID, with so many of us, fighting through silent anxieties and depression, I think having a plant is what it brings calmness and stress-free around you. So make sure that you gift a plant to your loved ones and your dear ones around. The fifth point of giving greens is making you remember. I remember when I started nurturing green, I gifted my mom the first bonsai from nurturing green to her. And still, after 10 years, she has that bonsai. She still takes care of it, she still waters it, and every time she waters and cares about it, she remembers me. And what beautiful bond you can create within your families, if you see them grow. So instead of gifting anything else, how about gifting a plant which grows with time and makes your loved ones remember you every time they water it or they see it around themselves. So I think that's the fifth and most important part of gifting greens. And Diwali is around, don't just wait. Go out and buy your best greens from any of the garden centers or at Nurturing Green. We will love to see you and give your loved ones happiness and bring more prosperity around us. So these are the 5 reasons why you should gift green to your loved ones around you. Thank you so much.